Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Keep your car cruise ready. Top highway maintenance tips. When it comes to highway driving, proper car maintenance is essential for ensuring the safety, efficiency, and longevity of your vehicle. Regular maintenance plays a significant role in keeping your car in top condition, especially under the demanding conditions of sustained higher speeds on the highway. Highway driving can put additional stress on various components of your vehicle, making it crucial to stay on top of maintenance tasks. By following a few simple car maintenance tips tailored for highway driving, you can help prevent breakdowns, ensure optimal performance, and extend the lifespan of your car. In this video, we will explore some practical and effective car maintenance tips specifically designed to keep your vehicle running smoothly on the highway. Whether you're planning a road trip or simply navigating your daily commute, these tips will help you maintain your car in prime condition for the open road ahead. Regular vehicle check-ups. Regular vehicle checkups are crucial before hitting the highway to ensure a safe and stress-free journey. Taking the time to inspect key components of your vehicle can prevent potential breakdowns and accidents, especially during long drives. Let's look into the essential aspects of a thorough vehicle inspection before highway travel. Tire inspection. Checking your tires before a highway trip is a game changer for your safety and fuel efficiency. Start by examining the tire pressure using a pressure gauge to ensure they are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended levels. Adequate tire pressure not only enhances fuel efficiency but also provides better traction on the road. Next, assess the tread depth by inserting a penny into the tire grooves with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it's time to replace your tires due to insufficient tread depth. Additionally, inspect the overall tire condition for any signs of wear, bulges, or cuts that could lead to a blowout at high speeds. Brake system evaluation. Your vehicle's brake system is a pivotal component for highway driving, especially when it comes to sudden braking situations. Start by examining the brake pads for wear and tear. Worn-out brake pads can compromise your ability to stop quickly and safely, increasing the risk of accidents. Additionally, check the brake rotors for signs of damage or warping, which can affect braking performance. Ensure that the brake fluid level is adequate and free from contaminants to maintain optimal braking efficiency. Efficient brakes are your primary line of defense on the highway, so make sure they are in top condition before you embark on your journey. Fluid levels and quality. Ensuring the proper levels and quality of fluids in your vehicle is crucial, especially when embarking on long highway drives. Neglecting these essential elements can lead to mechanical issues and jeopardize your trip. Let's see the significance of monitoring and maintaining the various fluids that keep your car running smoothly. Engine oil. Regular oil changes are like a health boost for your vehicle's engine. The oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, reducing friction and heat buildup. During extended highway drives, your engine works harder and gets hotter, making it even more vital to have clean, sufficient oil. Checking your oil levels regularly and adhering to the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals can prevent premature engine wear and ensure optimal performance. Coolant and other fluids. Apart from engine oil, other fluids play vital roles in your car's functionality. Coolant regulates the engine's temperature, preventing overheating during long drives. Brake fluid ensures efficient braking, essential for highway safety. Power steering fluid maintains smooth steering control, enhancing the overall driving experience. Lastly, windshield washer fluid keeps your visibility clear, especially when encountering unexpected debris or weather conditions. Regularly inspecting and topping up these fluids can prevent breakdowns and maintain your vehicle's health for a worry-free highway journey. Lighting and visibility. Before embarking on a highway journey, ensuring that your vehicle's lighting components are in optimal condition is essential for safe driving. Proper lighting not only allows you to signal your intentions to other drivers but also ensures that you are visible on the road, especially during nighttime drives. Headlights, taillights, and signals. Checking and replacing any faulty bulbs in your headlights, taillights, and turn signals is crucial before hitting the highway. Functional headlights not only illuminate the road ahead but also make your vehicle visible to others. Clear taillights and signals help communicate your moves to drivers behind you, enhancing overall road safety. Remember, signaling your intentions through properly functioning lights is a fundamental aspect of defensive driving on highways. Windshield and wipers. A clean windshield and efficient wipers are vital for maintaining visibility during highway driving, particularly in adverse weather conditions. Inspect your windshield for any cracks or chips that could obstruct your view. Replace worn-out wiper blades to ensure they can effectively clear your windshield of rain, snow, or debris. A clear windshield combined with smooth operating wipers is your frontline defense against reduced visibility on the highway, allowing you to react promptly to changing road conditions. By prioritizing the maintenance of your vehicle's lighting and visibility features, you not only enhance your safety on the highway but also contribute to the overall well-being of all road users. Being proactive in checking and maintaining these components ensures a clear line of sight for confident and secure highway driving experiences. Pre-trip preparation. Before embarking on a highway journey, it's crucial to ensure your vehicle is in optimal condition and you are ready for any unexpected situations that may arise. Here are some essential tips for pre-trip preparation. Emergency kit and spare tire. Having an emergency kit on board is like having a safety net for your journey. Make sure your emergency kit includes items such as a first aid kit, flashlight, jumper cables, and a fully inflated spare tire. These items can be real lifesavers in case of unforeseen breakdowns or emergencies along the highway. A well-prepared emergency kit can provide peace of mind and ensure you're ready for whatever the road throws your way. Route planning and weather check. Planning your route ahead of time is key to a smooth highway journey. Consider factors such as traffic conditions, estimated travel time, and rest stops along the way. Mapping out your route allows you to anticipate any potential delays and helps you stay on track throughout your trip. Additionally, checking the weather forecast before you hit the road is essential to prepare for any inclement weather conditions that may impact your driving. Being informed about the weather can help you make informed decisions and stay safe during your highway drive. Pre-trip checklist for highway journeys. Here's a handy checklist to ensure your vehicle is prepared for a safe and enjoyable highway journey. Pack emergency supplies such as water, snacks, blankets, and a fully charged phone. Check your vehicle's fluids, tires, brakes, lights, and wipers to ensure they are in good working condition. Ensure your GPS or navigation system is updated and functioning properly. Fill up your gas tank and consider carrying extra fuel for long stretches between gas stations. Secure any loose items inside your vehicle to prevent distractions while driving. Inform someone of your travel plans, including your route and estimated time of arrival, for added safety. By following these pre-trip preparation tips, you can set yourself up for a smooth and stress-free highway journey. Remember, safety always comes first when hitting the open road. Regular car maintenance is the key to ensuring a smooth and worry-free highway driving experience. By following the simple tips outlined in this video, you can keep your vehicle in top condition, reducing the risk of breakdowns and accidents on the road. Prioritizing vehicle upkeep is not just about avoiding costly repairs, but also about ensuring your safety and the safety of others on long-distance journeys. Remember, a well-maintained car is a reliable car, so don't skip those routine checkups and inspections. Safe travels! Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.